If you're diving into the world of crypto wallets, you've probably seen Trust Wallet and Safe will pop up. But which one should you actually use today? Let's compare them head to head. Trust Wallet is a mobile wallet that supports Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and thousands of other cryptocurrencies. It's known for its simplicity, ease of use, and strong security features, including private key storage on your device. Most people get this wrong. Many think it's just for storing crypto, but Trust Wallet also lets you stake coins, interact with decentralized apps, and swap tokens directly within the app. Safel, on the other hand, offers both software and hardware wallet options. The app wallet is similar to Trust Wallet in functionality, supporting multiple blockchains and in-app swaps. Its hardware wallet is a standout feature, providing cold storage with air-gapped security, which is ideal for serious investors holding large amounts of crypto. In terms of interface, Trust Wallet is beginner-friendly with a clean design. Safel is slightly more advanced, offering more features like DeFi integration and NFT support, but it can feel overwhelming for newcomers. Security-wise, both wallets are solid. Trust Wallet is software only, so security depends on your device. Safel's hardware option adds an extra layer by keeping private keys offline. If you're prioritizing maximum security, Safel's hardware wallet is hard to beat. In conclusion, if you are new to crypto and want an easy-to-use mobile wallet, Trust Wallet is likely the better choice. But if you're a serious investor looking for enhanced security and hardware options, Safel stands out. Both are reliable, so it really comes down to your comfort level and investment strategy. Subscribe for more crypto wallet comparisons and tips to keep your investment safe.